Have you ever imagined witnessing the most terrifying events in the universe? Phenomena so massive and violent they could change everything we know in an instant? Today, we're diving into the top 5 most frightening cosmic events that will blow your mind. From colossal explosions to bizarre star behavior, these phenomena will make you rethink the vastness of space. Did you know that some cosmic explosions are so bright they can outshine an entire galaxy? Or that one collision between stars could send shockwaves across thousands of light years? I'm Alvaro Sebastião, and this is Exoplanet, your go-to channel for unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Hit that like button, buckle up, and let's explore the beautiful and terrifying secrets of the universe. Let's go. Number 1. Supernova. Let's start with one of the most powerful and destructive events in the universe, the supernova. Imagine a star so massive that at the end of its life, it collapses in on itself, releasing an explosion so bright it can outshine an entire galaxy for weeks. But did you know there are different types of supernova? For example, a Type 1a supernova occurs in binary systems, where a white dwarf pulls material from its companion star until it reaches a critical mass, triggering a thermonuclear explosion. On the other hand, Type 2 supernovae are the result of massive stars collapsing under their own gravity. Here's a fascinating fact. Supernovae are cosmic alchemists, creating the heavy elements we find in the universe, like iron and gold. That means the iron in your blood and the gold in your jewelry were forged in these violent explosions billions of years ago. But supernovae aren't just destructive, they can also be creators. Their shockwaves can trigger the formation of new stars in surrounding clouds of gas and dust. How's that for a cosmic paradox? Now, here's a question for you. If a supernova were to occur within 50 light years of Earth, could humanity survive the radiation blast? Number 2. Star collisions. Next up, we have colliding stars, one of the most catastrophic events in the universe. Imagine 2 neutron stars, the densest objects known, where a single teaspoon of material weighs as much as Mount Everest. As they spiral toward each other, they release gravitational waves, ripples in the very fabric of space-time. When they finally collide, the energy is off the charts. Gamma-ray bursts so powerful, they could sterilize entire planets across light years, and magnetic fields strong enough to disrupt nearby star systems. Fun fact, the collision of neutron stars is one of the few cosmic events capable of creating heavy elements like gold and platinum. So the jewelry you're wearing right now might have been forged in one of these violent events billions of years ago. And here's a mind-blowing question. What if 2 neutron stars collided close enough to Earth? Would we survive the shockwaves or the gamma radiation? Probably not. Number 3. Helium flash, the sun's future. Let's bring it closer to home. What will happen when our sun reaches the end of its life? While it won't explode in a supernova, it has its own twist, a helium flash. As the sun burns through its fuel, it will expand into a red giant, swallowing Mercury and Venus and possibly Earth. At its core, helium will ignite all at once, releasing an enormous amount of energy in a fraction of a second. The sun's brightness will increase dramatically, turning nearby planets into molten wastelands. Did you know that during this phase, the sun could expand to more than 200 times its current size? Imagine the sky filled entirely by the sun, a fiery red orb dominating our view. What's more terrifying, experts suggest Earth could either be scorched to ashes or spiraled into the sun's core. But here's a question to ponder. If humanity survives that long, could we escape to another star system before it's too late? Number 4. Wolf-Rayet Stars. Now let's talk about the Wolf-Rayet Stars, the cosmic thugs of the universe. These stars are massive, unstable, and burn through their fuel at breakneck speed, living only a few 100,000 years. Their intense stellar winds strip away their outer layers, leaving behind a chaotic mix of gases that can light up entire regions of space. When they finally die, they go out with a bang, literally, in a supernova explosion, often accompanied by gamma-ray bursts. Here's a fun fact. Some Wolf-Rayet stars are so bright that they can be seen with the naked eye from Earth, even from thousands of light years away. And if a gamma-ray burst from one of these stars were pointed directly at Earth, it could strip away our atmosphere in seconds. Number 5. Cosmic fountains. Finally, we have one of the strangest phenomena, cosmic fountains. These stars are surrounded by thick dust clouds containing water ice, creating what looks like a fountain spraying material into space at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per second. But here's the twist. These aren't harmless water fountains. They emit intense microwaves capable of heating nearby planets to extreme temperatures, turning them into literal cosmic ovens. Here's a wild curiosity. The dust around these stars sometimes forms snow-like structures that get blasted into space. Imagine cosmic snowflakes traveling at incredible speeds, beautiful but deadly. And now, the big question. If a planet in the habitable zone of one of these stars existed, could it survive long enough to develop life, or would it be constantly baked by these intense microwave emissions? In the vastness of the cosmos, we find both beauty and chaos, a reminder of how precious our tiny corner of the universe is. Which of these cosmic events fascinated you the most? Do you think humanity could ever survive such destructive forces? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing space content every week. Until next time, keep looking up, stay curious, and never stop exploring. See you soon on Exoplanet. Goodbye.